I'm going to model the whole of 6 is equal to the part of 0 and the part of 6. Or I could do the whole of 6 is equal to the part of 6 and the part of 0. So as I don't get confused, I'm going to put some blue tack on the 6, that is the whole. That's this one. And I'll put some in the whole bar there. So the whole of 6 is equal to the parts of 0 and the part of 6 joined together. When we come to addition, it's part add part equals whole. The part block goes here, my part of 0 goes here, and the block that is my whole goes in this position. 6 add 0 equals 6. When I come to my next addition equation, the parts can swap positions with each other. So my part of 6 can go here, and my part of 0 can go there. My whole must stay in this position. So I still have part add part equals whole. 0 add 6 equals 6. When I move to subtraction, I need to remember that subtraction is whole, subtract part equals part. So I pick up my block that is the whole, and I put it in the whole position, and I put my other block in my part position, and this will be the part of 0. Whole subtract part equals part. 6 subtract 6 equals 0. When I write my last subtraction equation, I need to remember that the whole stays in this position, but the parts can swap positions with each other. So the 6 can go to that part position and the 0 to that part position. And I still have whole subtract part equals part. 6 subtract 0 equals 6. And there are my addition and related subtraction equations for the bond of 6 is equal to 0 and 6.